Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a curve card to Samsung Wallet. First, open the Samsung Wallet app on your phone. On the home screen, tap Quick Access, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Next, select credit or debit card. You can scan your curve card using your camera or tap Add manually and enter your card details. If your card supports NFC, you can also tap Add by tapping and place your phone against the curve card. Follow the on-screen steps to verify your card. And once it's approved, your curve card will be added to Samsung Wallet and ready for contactless payments. And that's it. That's how to add a curve card to Samsung Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.